Hello, what a great day to sew something wonderful. I'm not Kia B. I'm the tech guy from the Hive. So Mrs. B is not feeling well right now, and she sounds worse than my voice. So I'm stepping in for her. Wanted to do an unboxing of the Sew Sampler box. But before we go there, it's been a crazy couple weeks with our youngest son. If you follow our videos, it's not uncommon for him to be in and out of the hospital. But the last 2 weeks have been a trying time for our family, and I wanted to say thank you for your patience and your support and your prayers and thoughts and messages. They're very warming to our hearts, so thank you very much for those sincere gestures. So if you guys want to come in a little closer, I am going to take a stab or a stitch at the Sew Sampler unveil, and please, if you want to make fun of me, comment below. This is the first time I've ever done this. So this is the box that we've been waiting for. Well, my wife has been waiting for, but I'm actually excited to open this box. I see all these quilting notions. This is our 23rd box that we've gotten from Sew Sampler. We are not sponsored. Yes, we do pay for them. We're continuing to go with the Sew Sampler box for as long as we can. I mean, this is what we'd like to do. This is like an extra gift that she gets from the mailman every month. So we're gonna dive right in, but before we dive right in, make sure you get your favorite cup of tea or beverage. I've got mine in my hand right here, and we're gonna dive right into this. So open this up. This is pretty cool. It's the Spectrum box, 2017 Sew Sampler Quilt Reveal. I guess we're going to go into a little bit later about what that is. These are cool recipe cards. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but these are the recipe cards you guys have been getting for the last 11 months. These are the 2017 Basket Sew Sampler Quilt Basket Block 12 and the finishing from Riley Blake. So it has these cool recipe cards that you can put them in a nice tin or something special for you guys. So this is pretty cool. Looks like a tape measure from Fat Quarter. It's like a rose gold leather wheel ruler. I think this is what this is for. It goes on forever. So we're going to put that right there before I break it. We've got the monthly sticker that my wife puts on her planner every month to know exactly when the Sew Sampler is supposed to be here. Next one is a 4-inch Curvy log cabin trim tool. That's a mouthful. It gives us create an illustration of curves with this 4-inch version of our popular Curvy log cabin trim tool series. And it actually looks like there's some anti-slip things on the back, so if you're using it on your desk, it won't slip. That's pretty cool. Speaking of anti-slipping, True Grips, we just got a package here. It says no more slipping. It contains 15 small and 15 large discs. Non-slip adhesive rings to apply to the back of any ruler. So I'm guessing when you're cutting things out or you're measuring, so it doesn't slip on you. And this is pretty neat. This is fabric for, I'm guessing there's going to be a pattern in here like it is every month. The Sparkler Quilt, and this is the fabric for it. There's a bonus size option inside. Looks like, we'll actually just open this up. I think my wife will not like it because she likes all the pretty wrapping on this and how it's tied together. But it looks like about 4 or 5 solid colors with like confetti dots on there. It's actually pretty cool. Kind of goes with the sparkler theme. I would pretend that I know how to read this, but I don't, but it looks really cool, and I think she's very excited to do this too. So thank you for hanging out with the tech guy at the Hive. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing as much as I did. I don't know how half this stuff works, but it's pretty cool. I get kind of jealous when she gets stuff in the mail. So next week, I promise you, Kia B will be here on your channel, in front of you, on your laptop, mobile device, or tablet. But if you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for joining us at the Hive. See you guys later.